What I love about CareCredit is that you can do something about any unexpected event. So for me, it was making sure that I had those root canals taken care of.
I went in and I found out I needed a root canal, and that was a big shock for me.
I broke my tooth and half of it was gone, so when you had this great big smile, you would just see this gap.
I had a bacterial infection in my mouth. It was very painful and my mouth was swollen.
I'm at a little Jamaican restaurant, think I'm cute. Bridge falls out. Now I look like a hockey player on the side. I'm like, what am I gonna do?
I had been putting off my dental care for the past couple years because I knew cost was just gonna be out of the question for me.
If I didn't get it fixed then, my teeth would just continue to get worse and it would cause problems later in life.
My next big fear was, how am I even going to afford this? I freaked out. I called my dentist, and CareCredit was there to save the day.
CareCredit was there for my emergency, but now CareCredit is also there for me to plan throughout my journey of getting my teeth back to normal.
CareCredit gave me back my smile. So I'm very happy, and it's thanks to CareCredit, made it so easy to do it.
I mean, the beauty of CareCredit is that it's so simple and easy, you don't have to wait.
I can eat anything I want, and the dentures are awesome, so thank you, CareCredit.
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 Thank you, CareCredit, for helping me keep my great smile.